this tutorial, I'll show you how to record an investment in Zoho Books, keeping your business finances organized and accurate. Recording investments properly ensures your accounts reflect the true financial position of your business. Start by creating an equity account to track the investment. Head to the Accountants section on your Zoho Books dashboard and select Chart of Accounts. Click on New Account, set the account type to Equity and give it a clear name like Owner's Equity. Hit Save and your equity account is ready. Next, record the investment itself. Go to the Banking section and select the bank account where the funds were deposited. Click Add Transaction and choose Owner's Contribution. Link this transaction to the equity account you just created. Enter the amount, date, and any relevant notes about the contribution. These details are helpful for future reference or audits. Finally, click Save and your investment is successfully recorded. This ensures your financial records remain accurate and up to date, giving you a clear view of your business's finances. Keep following these steps to maintain clean records and make informed decisions. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Zoho Books tutorials.